Welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. Today we're going to make a video just like we saw in the intro, moving video behind some text, and it will zoom in on a certain point. So we're in the Edit tab of DaVinci Resolve, the free version. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to drag our video clip in to our timeline. This particular one has an audio with it, and I don't need that. I'm going to unlink it and get rid of this audio track. I'm going to drag our video track up one. I'm going to go to the effects text. We're going to drag a text in. We're going to highlight that text. We're going to disable this video track so we can see what we're typing in here. I'm going to type woods. You can type whatever you want. I'm going to change that font to impact or something big. You want a bigger font. I'm going to bring that size up to about there. That looks good. I'm going to re-enable our video track. And I'm going to shorten this up, but we want it longer than the text track for when we zoom in. So with that being done, we're going to highlight the video. We're going to come to video here, composite. We're going to change that from normal to foreground. Then we're going to click on our text. We're going to go to settings. And again, we want composite. We're going to change that to alpha. Now you can see we have our moving video behind the background. Now if you don't want this black, I'm going to highlight these two and bring them up one track. We could go to our effects tab, generators. We could bring in a color. Of course, this color is black, so we'll highlight it, change the color to something else. We don't have to have that. Highlight, backspace, get rid of it. We could bring in another video, what we're going to do in this case. And I'm going to shorten that up to the length of the text. Now if I move our playhead, you can see we have the moving video within the text. I'm actually going to make that text a little bigger. About like so. So we have our video moving inside the text, but now we're going to make it zoom in on a certain spot. So I'm going to have it zoom in right on this area here. We're going to highlight our text. We're going to come back up here to our inspector. We're going to click on settings. We're going to enable dynamic zoom. Now if you move your playhead, you can see that it's slightly zooming out. That's not what we want. We want it to zoom in. So at dynamic zoom, we're going to click on swap. Now when we play, you can see that it's zooming in. So we're going to make it zoom in on this point right here on this O. So in order to do that, we're going to come right here. We're going to click on dynamic zoom. That's going to give us this green box and this red box. The green box is where the zoom will start. The red box is where the zoom will end. So we're going to simply bring that to right there, and that's where it's going to zoom in at. It just so worked out that that's where it ended up. If we wanted it to zoom in over here, we could drag it there. We could have it zoom in over here. I'm just going to hit Control Z to undo that. We're going to have it zoom in on that spot. So we'll just turn that back off. And now when we play this back, you'll see that it's going to zoom in. We'll hit our play button, and you can see that it's zooming in right here on this O and going through there. We'll hit home on the keyboard to rewind it, space bar to play it again, and you can see it zoom in right in that spot. Pretty simple technique, another easy video. Like I always say, if you learned anything, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.